Charles, you got the remote?
Look, that's the one that broke in my hand.
I got bit by a bug.
Look, that one broke in my hand.
You mark down $1,000 for this campus for unlimited savings.
Turn it up again.
I'm greatly concerned about my I was wrong with it. God has a very bad heart. Why is he wiring me like that? It was a paid for my training. It was a
We just turned off every TV in there. Good, I'm trying to turn it back on. Keep turning them off. Yeah, Lily, poop on mommy.
Oh, really? That whole time?
Cole had the camera the wrong way so she couldn't see him.
Dude, that whole time they were giving you kisses and everything else.
Cole's like, I'm not gonna waste food. We got a hurricane coming. This dude is like peeping in the side of the. Look at him. Is he serious or is he joking, dude? That was really funny. Peeping at me the whole time that I've been here. So he's looking at me again. You guys want to see it? Gus's girlfriend asked him, why do you let your friends pee on you? Like he lets us pee on him. He's like, he like sees us peeing and he's like, stop it, guys. Tell us about what your dad would do to your friends or to you.
I mean, he'd shit on a plate and put it by your head when you're sleeping. It'd be raining, we'd be working, bent over, working hard or something. He'd be pissing on your back, down your neck or whatever. Some people, he's been up in a tree, climbing in a tree, and his friend walking on a tree on his friend's shoulder. He'd set up a video camera, and he'd put his ass on our face, or he'd rip a big fart that far from your nose, and it'd be all on the TV the next morning.
Come out for breakfast when this one's good.
We'd come down for breakfast and be in there frying bacon, butt naked, having that playing on TV. I'm not kidding.
Ask Greg if he ever if he wipes both ways.
Yeah, I wipe up and then wipe down one.
You do?
Yeah.
Cool.
You wipe up and you wipe underneath.
You smear off.
You smear every bit of it out. Well, she didn't know I pissed in my mouth that night until a few days ago. You know you pissed in your mouth? I was like, yeah. And she's like, you tried f***ing kissing me that night. Yep. This is f***ing right. You burned my hair.
That was you.
How much burned?
And not a lot, just a little bit. It's just singed right there.
Oh, just singed.
Just a little. Your hair's wet, so it didn't burn off.
What the f? I smell that shit, dude. I want to dreadlock my hair like a Rastafarian.
Rastafarian man.
No, not like a farty man. I smell like poop.
Yeah, but that's not because of your hair. Good morning. Oh, smell that breath.
No, man, that's nasty. You brush your butthole with it?
I just brushed your mouth with it. That's what I just did.
No.
That was your breath. This has been in my cooler, safe and sound.
Oh, yeah, and your nice smelling cooler.
All I keep in my cooler is electronics.
Love you, ladies. Smile or put your face on a t-shirt.
Put your face. I should go to people and say that.
Say it with a straight face.
Or I might look up your name and then put your name and address on the shirt below it, like like the caption of the T-shirt. And I'm gonna take like a still of the video. We got like zoomed in really close on your face, and then I'm gonna cut out your face and put it on a T-shirt and sell the T-shirt. Okay? All right, and I'm gonna keep all the profits, but I'm not gonna give you any money from it. Okay? I don't know. I'm just kidding with you. I thought it'd be funny to say that to somebody. But I really am recording. And I really am gonna put your face on a T-shirt.
I'm gonna put my face.
But I was just kidding about it. But I really am going to though. But I'm just kidding. No, I have played with you. I'm gonna stop going back and forth.
My car tastes like milkshakes.
My car tastes like milkshake. What if every time I laughed, I just slapped everything around me? Including people?
Ammonia inhalants.
No way!
Wake up.
It went in my mask, dude, when I put it on. Want some more? Oh! Every morning when I wake up, I come in here and blow up this whole balloon. Then I save it for later until I'm with my friends and I blow it in their mouth, in their face. And I say, good morning. Giving people my morning breath. We do a video of that. I send like celebrities balloons and say, please blow this up in morning. In the morning when we wake up, we're gonna blow up like 5 balloons and go to the beach and have people.
And the people tell them the helium, suck on the helium.
Tell people it's helium and have them just suck it all in. I just bought this from Publix. Or just like people laying on the beach, go up to them and let it blow in their face all my morning breath. Good morning. Why did you do that?
Thought he was thirsty. Off and all that bullshit. So it's a pain in the ass. Look at that. It's just good timing when I did that.
I'll be your huckleberry. Say when. When?